Very good morning to all dear students. Today I'm going to tell you about the concept of triangles. Concept of triangles, which is chapter number 6 for class 10th. So, before the commencement of this chapter, I would like you to tell you about the introduction about the concept of similarity. Concept of similarity. Concept of similarity. Before the starting of the practical problems, we need to understand about the concept of similarity, which is dealing with the furtherly concept of congruency, which is a case of congruency, and the second case is of similarity. Second case is of similarity. So, if I am talking about the concept of congruency, case. So, it is the case in which if we have two geometric shapes with the same length, these shapes are called as congruent shapes. So, if I am taking the example for a triangle ABC and PQR. So, first of all, it fulfills the first condition because both are triangles, means both structures are similar to each other, in which AB side is equal to 3 centimeter, and it is of 4 centimeter. Similarly, in triangle PQR we have PQ as 3 centimeter, PR as 3 centimeter, and QR with 4 centimeter. In this condition, both the triangles are congruent because both triangles consist of same length, which is of 3 centimeter with AB, and here we have 3 centimeter as PQ. Here we have BC with 4 centimeter, and here QR equals to 4 centimeter, AC equals to 3 centimeter, and for the further triangle we have PR equals to 3 centimeter. So in this case, both are of same nature and both are of same length. So these both structures are of congruent nature. These both triangles are congruent in this case. So conclusively, it can be said that in conclusion, it can be concluded that when the corresponding angles are equal to each other for respective structures or figures, or geometric similar shapes. So here we have two triangles with the same length, or we have two similar shapes with the similar lengths, then it is the relationship of congruency between both the triangle or both the shapes. If we are talking about the concept of similarity, it can be said that if we have two geometric shapes but with distinct lengths, then these structures are dealing with the concept of similarity but not with the concept of congruency. For example, if I am taking the same example for triangle ABC, in which we have AB as 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeter, and for the further step, if we are taking the same shape but with the different sides with 6 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. In this condition, both the shapes are of similar nature, but they both have different or distinct lengths or different sides. So it doesn't exist the concept of congruency, but it does exist the concept of similarity. So in the conclusion, it can be said that both the shapes are equal or matched to each other, and For the second point, the proportion for all the sides of both triangles are similar to each other. So it is the concept of similarity. There was a distinction between the concept of congruency and the concept of similarity. There is a little bit difference between both the concepts. So it is must for all of you to understand before the starting of the practical problem. So I hope you all understood it. Thank you so much.